Hi, and welcome to this short overview of the Contractors Information Management application we've created using Power Apps from Microsoft 365 and Teams. The application provides a centralized system for documents related to contractor or supplier related activities to help organizations ensure that only appropriately skilled and trained contractor personnel are used within your organization. It does this by holding three document types: supplier records, project details and contractor records, which can be interrelated and most importantly can define the minimum criteria of competence and training, etc. before they are deemed live. The supplier or company record holds general company information, details about products and services provided, classification options and different sorts of validation information which can be deemed mandatory before a live or approved status is given. It can also hold key details about the business relationship, such as who is responsible within your organisation and also the suppliers, and why this organisation is being used. Once you've saved the supplier record, you can create multiples of both project and personal records, and this ties the related documents together and ensures an ongoing relationship for searching and views. A project record inherits key supplier details, names of responsible people plus fields for the scope and details of the project, its purpose, objectives, plus any specific compliance and/or health and safety needs. The contractor record again inherits supplier details and has a large interactive table into which mandatory requirements, training, skills, experience and certificates can be logged. Where a requirement is deemed mandatory and supporting records, PDFs or other documents can be needed, we can limit the status of the person until all documents supporting that element are included. Rules and controls built into the forms ensures that we can lock records and show a read mode version. We can automatically email users with messages and record links and advise others of the need for their involvement or confirmation of something. Power Apps also allows us to include lots of flexibility and configurability regarding the layout and how the fields look on the form. We've made it so that an application administrator can change what fields are called, what choices are available from drop-downs and multi-select fields, who gets involved in the processes, what error messages are displayed, and even if fields are included, plus lots of other stuff. And finally, regarding the displaying, accessing and creating and viewing of documents, each organisation's front-end needs are almost bound to be different from others, and we encourage this. Whether you use SharePoint lists or web pages which drive into Power App galleries is up to you, and we can either build something for you or help you build it yourselves. Power Apps also has some really neat ways of presenting searching approaches as well, so don't forget about that as a possibility. There's a lot more to this application than I've shown here, but I hope this gives you an idea of the basics of how it works. If you would like to know more about it, or to have a demo, or just talk to us about some of the other Power App-based applications we've created, and we've got quite a few of those, do please drop us an email to info@kwsservices.co.uk and we'll get back in contact soonest. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and I do hope this has been useful. Regards and keep well.